What's up, everybody? I'm down here in my shop today. If you guys remember, this hitch right here broke right off my Polaris the other day when I was running the tiller up there at the food plot. So first things first, we're gonna get this thing repaired, weld it back on, and then we're gonna take it down over the hill and see if we can use it to drag in some seed on the new food plot. So let's go ahead and get this here cleaned up, get the grinder out, get it on the bench grinder, clean this up, and then we'll bring the grinder over and clean that metal up there as well so we can get a good weld. Alright, so now we're going to set it back up on here. We're going to see where we need to grind at. I'm going to go and get a marker, see if we got one. That way we know we can go ahead and put the grinder to there. Now, we're going down here, across the back here, not showing up real good, up the sides, and then across the bottom. So let's go ahead and get all these spots here grinded.